Welcome to this tutorial on generating a statement of account (SOA) for customer groups in Workstair. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the simple steps to get started. To begin, from the sidebar menu, go to Customer Groups under the Clients section. In the Customer Group Details page, select Statements of Account from the drop-down to view the SOA on screen. Here, you'll see each customer's SOA within the selected group, displayed in separate sections. You can check the All Outstanding box to display all outstanding balances from the beginning. If you prefer to filter the transactions, uncheck All Outstanding and select a specific time period from the drop-down, such as the last 6 months, the current year, or a custom date range. If you enable for outstanding only, it will display only transactions with outstanding balances. Otherwise, all transactions for the customers in the group will be shown. Once you're ready to generate a PDF, click the Download SOA button. The PDF will be created based on the filters and settings you've chosen. If you prefer to skip the preview, you can go directly to the Download SOA option in the Action menu. Here, you can select the Prepared by Person and make other configuration adjustments. Simply click Download to generate the SOA as a PDF. Thank you for watching. If you need any additional clarification, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.